In this screencast, I want to show you how to find the correct preposition. And I'm going to use two words, disappointed and looking. First, I'll type in my word disappointed, D-I-S-A-P-P-O-I-N-T-E-D. And then I have to go down to the position list and tell this to use or to find prepositions. And so I scroll down to prep all. And what I have here in my search string here is the word disappointed, and then this little symbol here means it's going to look for prepositions because that's what I chose, and I will conduct my search and I will see all of the different combinations. I saw a student use the combination disappointed of. Disappointed of is an infrequent combination, and if you scroll down and look at the combinations in the hundreds of thousands of texts that this corpus contains, disappointed of is only used twice. And if you want to see how it was used, you can click on this and look down here and you can see the sentences, and these are actually the same quote, or basically the same quote, and they're both instances of probably the preposition being wrong. But let's go take a look and see what some of the other uses look like, including disappointed with. If we wanted to see how disappointed with looks like, we can read some of these sentences to get an example of how the combination works, or disappointed in. And again, read some of the sentences and you can see how some of the combination works. It's through reading some of these sentences you're going to become more familiar with which prepositions go with which words. Let's reset this and another search. This time we're going to use the word looking, L-O-O-K-I-N-G. I saw a paper where the word was looking on. Again, we're going to pull down the position list. We're going to choose preposition. We're going to do our search and see whether looking on comes up at all, and it really doesn't. If you scroll down, you have to go a ways down to find looking on. It's used 118 times, and we can see how it might be used. Read through these and see if the way you are using looking on fits this. And actually, again, if you read through some of these things, they're actually probably misusing looking on. Instead, look at how often looking for or looking at or looking into are used. By looking at this number, 31,715, 30,104, we can see that looking for and looking at are the most common, most frequent combinations of the word looking in a preposition. So this is another way to use this little website to try to find proper prepositions.